Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be. I prefer to have it on the photo mode. Let's go to the settings in the right upper corner and tap on Custom. Then tap on Reset and confirm it by tapping on OK. As you can see, we just got back to the camera, and I'm not sure if you've just shown it, but we had the grid lines, the golden spiral, and right now it is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Sorry, not network preferences, camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.